In the traditional recipe for mousse au chocolat by Henri in the 1900s, there is only 3 ingredients. First, you separate 2 eggs. You put the white in one bowl and the yolks in the other bowl. Then you melt some chocolate, 85% cocoa, because you're not gay. Actually, if your chocolate is too strong like this, it might become too solid when mixed with the egg. Mix with the egg yolks only if your chocolate is at room temperature. Don't fucking cook the yolks. Then beat the egg whites until hard peaks, just like this. Then incorporate the white in the chocolate. If your chocolate has become solid, you can add a little smidge of milk. Only if it is raw milk straight from the cow teat. Incorporate the egg whites into the chocolate until you have chocolate mousse texture. Then grab an appropriate container and pour your chocolate mousse inside. Be very careful to allow it to run to the angles of the dish, otherwise you will have some massive ugly bubbles at the bottom. Fill it up very generously, and here it is, your chocolate mousse. Throw it into the fridge for 4 hours and you will finally be able to munch on it. The recipe will actually be easier with chocolate that is less dark. Listen to the sound it makes when I bite into it.